We did it. We did it. We just hit 60,000 subscribers. And I just want to say thank you to all you guys that have subscribed, that have liked, that have shared this with your friends and everything. I am eternally grateful for your support in keeping this channel growing and alive. So now that we hit 60,000 subscribers, I have something for you. I am launching helpmedevon.info, the website. Now on this new website, there are a ton of things. For instance, I am now offering mixing and mastering services, which I've seen so many of you guys ask for, and now it is there at helpmedevon.info. Not only is that at helpmedevon.info, but I'm also offering MIDI loop kits, drum kits, vocal templates, melodic loops, all kinds of tools that you can use towards your production as well as your recording sessions to improve your sound. These melodic kits and MIDI loops and drum kits are personally tweaked by me as well as a few other engineers that we put these dope kits together that are sonically super dope, and I guarantee you if you add it to your arsenal of production as well as your recording or mixing, etc., you will love. helpmedevon.info. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for 60,000 subscribers. This has been a passion project of mine that I literally just did one time, and it kind of just took off, and I'm so excited and so happy that you guys are taking to it and liking it, and it's helping you guys so much as you've been emailing me at helpmedevon@gmail.com. I really just appreciate you guys' support and everything. Also, a lot of you guys don't know that I am an artist myself, and you can check out my YouTube at Devon Terrell. That YouTube is there. I'll make sure it's in the link below. I'll also make sure that helpmedevon.info is in the link below. Make sure you guys are going to this website periodically and checking it out. There's so much stuff on there for you guys to get as far as to add to your arsenal of everything. So once again, guys, thank you guys so much for everything. We're gonna keep this going. We're on the road to 100K subscribers now. Keep sharing this, keep liking it with your friends, etc. Just keep it going, and I appreciate you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. Keep coming, keep making your music, keep mixing, keep producing, and until next time, you guys.